So let's look at the last topic of gas turbine, that is degree of reaction. So degree of reaction is defined, as I said earlier, based on degree of reaction, we used to define the impulse and reaction type of turbines. So degree of reaction is defined in terms of temperature ratios or pressure ratios or enthalpy ratio. So over here we have used the enthalpy relation delta T H static in rotor divided by delta H static in stage. Stage means rotor plus stator. So rotor is H2 minus H3. These are static. They are not stagnation properties. Static are not total properties. We are using static properties. So H1 minus H3. Using the ideal gas relation, H can be CPT, and we are converting it to temperature ratios. So now we know the Cp T1 minus T3 is UVF. This is work done. And that is work done, and that is work achieved in the gas turbine, and that is related to this. We have two relations for the work achieved. So this is coming from the velocity triangle. This was coming from the enthalpy change. And for T2 minus T3, we are writing the work. Cp T2 minus T3 is the work done in the rotor, that we are writing in terms of relative velocity change, that is the kinetic energy change. We are converting it to Vf using velocity triangles and sec square sec angles, and we are using the relation of sec and tan, trigonometric relation, uh, and converting it to tan square. So we have two relations. This is the denominator part. This is the numerator part for our degree of reaction formula. We have substituted it. The numerator 10 can be taken factors out, and the addition of 10s of beta 2 and beta 3 will get cancelled, and the subtracted ones are here retained. So the degree of reaction formula is V by 2U into 10 of beta 3 minus 10 of beta 2. The beta 3 is going to be larger than beta 2. This must be obvious to you, because the degree of reaction is greater than 0 and velocities are not negative. These are the magnitudes of velocity. And we have one special case which we have seen earlier for most of the other turbines and compressors also. The special case is degree of reaction is equal to 50%, that is half. So we put half in degree of reaction formula and get the relation between U by Vf, and the relations which we got from velocity triangles. So if you want, I can show them again. So these were the relation which we got from velocity triangles, and when we compare this with the condition which we are getting after the 50% reaction turbine, by comparing those two, we can get alpha 2 is equal to alpha beta 3 and beta 2 is equal to alpha 3, and this condition is called as symmetrical bleeding. So it may not be mentioned exactly. It can be mentioned as 50% reaction turbine. That also means the angles are equal. It may be given symmetrical bleeding. That also means angles are equal. So you must infer from the question language given. In the next video, which will be the last video, we'll see about the numericals.